I cloned this entire brand with AI in less than 30 minutes. The name, the branding, the product visuals, and everything else were generated from one prompt inside one single chat. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it was created, how close it got to the real $25 million per month brand, and whether AI is finally good enough to replace most of the work that goes into launching a new brand. I started with the gummy brand called Grooms, a $25 million per month brand, and used it as my inspiration. The goal was to use the work that they've already put in their brand and create something similar that would have the same look and feel but get it done faster. So instead of subscribing to a bunch of different AI tools, I used something called Supercomputer from Higgsfield, a single AI agent that handles the entire workflow in one place. Inside Supercomputer, you just have to type what you want to build. It also has pre-built skills you can plug in depending on what you're creating. I went and I installed the UGC skill, the email sequence skill, and the static ad skill. We'll use those later in the video. I use the Gemini orchestrator model. It automatically uses the best AI model for each part of the workflow, no switching, no copy and pasting between tools. So I started building the brand. I grabbed the Grooms store link, pasted in, and typed this prompt. Create a realistic gummy brand similar to Grooms. Give it a name, a visual identity, and a positioning angle. Then generate packaging, product photos, live shots, social media posts, and 3 UGC video ads. First, it analyzes the brand and the niche, then it builds the identity around what already works, and the brand looks great. Let's move to the next step. Now here's the part that makes this different from any other AI tool. Supercomputer takes the brand identity and it uses it as the anchor for everything that follows. Every single asset that gets generated from here pulls from the same brand DNA. Same colors, same aesthetics, same product angle. Nothing looks like it came from a different tool on a different day. These are the product photos it created, clean white backgrounds, multiple angles, and the live shots also look pretty good. But the brand is just the foundation. Next comes ads. From that first prompt, it also generated UGC ad creatives. Using the same storyboards and UGC creator reference, it generated 3 UGC styled ads, a creator holding the product, talking about it naturally, the kind of content that actually performs on TikTok and Meta right now, and here they are.
Stop eating massive handfuls of horse pills for daily energy. Look at these Roots mixed berry gummies. Tired of standard synthetic vitamin pills that do absolutely nothing? These are Roots mixed berry gummies. Stop wasting money on supplements that taste like grass or cardboard. Roots mixed berry gummies are the real deal.
If you don't like something, you can always go and make edits. And because the process is so fast, you can test dozens of variations and scale your campaigns the way you want. But UGC ads are just one type of ads that convert well. Now let's try creating static ads because those convert well too and are easy to scale. You select the static ad skill, then just type find me 5 winning static ads in my niche and recreate them for my brand. Add your reference image and then hit enter. The agent analyzes the top performing static ad formats from Grooms paid campaigns and recreates them for your brand. Here's what we got. The us versus them ad, the clean list based infographic, they all came out great. Now if you already have specific static ads that you've seen performing well, this gets even better. I found these static ads that are performing well for Grooms and I want to replicate them. You just upload the reference images you want to replicate, add your product images or website, and the agent rebuilds them using your brand's colors and your product. Here's the result. It kept the reference image ideas, but just swapped it with my brand colors and my product. And here's the orchestration at work. For images, it finds the best model. For video ads, it uses Seedance 2.0. It's always routing to whatever gives the best output. Now let's have a look at the email sequences. Let's create a welcome email series for my new buyers. I just typed build a welcome series for my new subscribers who purchased my product and got out a full email sequence. But I still need some graphics for these emails, so I just said take these emails and turn them into high quality graphics using my brand. And here you go. Professional looking, ready to use. And if you want to store this information in Google Drive, for example, we have this option here, connectors. Just turn on the Google Drive connector and say upload this to my Google Drive account and done. No downloading, no uploading manually. Everything goes directly where it's supposed to. Alright, next I'm gonna clone Grooms product pages layout. I said use Grooms website as inspiration to rebuild a similar layout, but for my product, it went and analyzed the Grooms page and rebuilt the structure for my product. And here's how it looks, same overall layout and approach, same conversion logic, but with my product, my brand, and my colors. Do I like Supercomputer? Well, yeah, it has a memory tab if you already use ChatGPT or Claude and you want to import your brand context, context, your knowledge base, your preferences. You can pull that directly in here. The connectors let you plug into other platforms, social media or Google Drive. And it's supposed to get smarter the more you use it. It learns your brand voice, your content style, your preferences. The same task you run today should produce better, faster results in 3 months because the system is constantly learning. So this is what I created using it for just minutes. A full brand identity. Product photos, lifestyle shots, UGC video ads, winning static ads, email sequences with graphics, and a competitor-inspired website layout, all from one chat without switching to other tools. A few months ago, this would have taken a full team. Today, it takes just minutes. If you want to give it a try yourself, the link to the Higgsfield Supercomputer is in the description below. And now that you know how to create an entire brand with AI, if you want to learn how to clone a successful Shopify store using AI, click this video next and I'll see you there.